Respected Vice Principal, my dear teachers, non-teaching staff, my dear students, I wish you a happy Teachers' Day. This morning I sent greetings of Happy Teachers' Day to Father Roshan Bage, and he has replied me with these few words for the teachers, and so I would like to read it out. Many of you know, only the new ones, they are not aware of who Father Roshan Bage is. Right now he is in St. James School, Doranda. So he has wished all of you Happy Teachers' Day, dear Father, and all the teachers. Thank you for nurturing the seeds of knowledge and character with care and compassion. Wishing you a day filled with joy and respect as you deserve for the invaluable contributions you make for the children of Pengri. So this wish, he wanted me to read it out for you. As we know that every year we have been celebrating Teachers' Day. Every year we celebrate Independence Day, Republic Day, and many other feasts. But what do we learn from that? Like today is the Teachers' Day. We give them respect to our teachers, non-teaching staff, and all the elders, those who teach us. And so, what we learn from them and how far we have improved, that matters. Because every year we have been teaching the subject matters as well as a lot of other minors that we teach you. But how far we have grown into that field of knowledge or field of good manners. That is important. And so, my dear students, I have only one message: keep learning, continue to learn, because life is a journey and we learn from womb to tomb. That means when we are in mother's womb, from that time onwards we learn whatever our mother does. We learn that. We store in our hard disk here, right from that time, and till we breathe our last. Till that moment we learn. So continue to learn from each other. It's not that teachers don't need to learn. They need to learn a lot of things from the children, from our co-workers, from their own companions, from non-teaching staff. So teachers also need to learn to upgrade to themselves, upgrade themselves. Like children should learn from your teachers, whatever they teach you and whatever they are asking you to do. So that way it's a give and take. It is not monotonous, but it is from both sides. You cannot clap with one hand, but you clap with both hands. And that is how it goes on. So you must learn, every year you must learn something new from your teachers, and teachers should learn from your students, companions, non-teaching staff. Every year we must learn something or the other. And that helps us to be perfect a little more. We are never perfect, but to be perfect a little more than before. So that is my message. And I don't need to repeat every time. what you are supposed to do and why we celebrate teachers. It is simply because we would like to give them our respect, show them our respect. That's all. And so try to respect your teachers, your elders. Like I said in the assembly, you must go back and say thank you to your parents as well as elders at home, whoever is there, because they have taught you to speak, to open your mouth, to walk, everything. So that is my message today, that you nurture, teachers, you nurture the small seeds that you are nurturing. It will become a plant and grow and become a tree, and learn from them as well. And you, my dear students, you also learn from each other, from your companion, from your teachers, and become a tree. Now your seeds or small plants that is planted in St. James campus bloom where you are, and bloom like and become a flower later on. So have a wonderful day and God bless you all. Thank you.